As governments increase subsidies for families and childcare providers, the burden of complex reporting grows. ChildFriendly understands the challenges of navigating subsidy reporting and offers a solution to streamline the process. Let's take a closer look at how ChildFriendly simplifies subsidy reporting using the province of Alberta, Canada as an example. Utilizing our Alberta subsidy claim and 100 hours report, the generated reports mirror precisely what the Alberta government mandates in their online claims portal. It's as easy as copying over the information and then clicking submit. But what if you need a report that isn't already available? Not to worry, ChildFriendly offers a custom reports creation feature. Simply submit the details of the report you require, and our developers will build it to your exact specifications and add it to your reports module. ChildFriendly makes third-party and subsidy reporting a breeze. Say goodbye to hours of administrative work and hello to streamlined reporting processes.